Welcome to Easy Electra. Today, let's dive into the heart of electricity, resistance. What is it? How does it work? And why is it so important? Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current in a material. It's like a speed breaker for electrons. The more resistance, the harder it is for current to pass. Think of electricity like water. Resistance is like a narrow pipe. Less space means harder flow, more resistance, less current. Inside a resistor, a resistive material, like carbon or a metal film, wraps around a ceramic core. This material resists the current and converts electrical energy into heat. There are many types: carbon film resistors for general use, wire wound resistors for high power, and tiny surface mount resistors used in modern electronics. Ohm's law defines resistance, V equal to IXR. That means voltage equals current times resistance. Simple math, powerful concept. That's resistance explained in 3D. Like, share, and subscribe to Easy Electra for more electrifying content.